Hello, my dear students. Let's continue our lesson on rate. In this exercise, you have to read the question well. The times of 3 runners in 3 different races are given in the table. Which runner finished the race with the fastest time per kilometer? So you have runner A, runner B, runner C. Runner A, the distance is 5 kilometers in 34 minutes. And runner B, 10 kilometers in 62. Runner C, 21 kilometers in 154. So we have to calculate the first rate, which is runner A. Its rate is 34 minutes over divided by 5 kilometers. So, as I said yesterday, the denominator should be 1. So I will divide it by 5 in both sides on the fraction. So it's 6.8. And 6.8 what? You have to write the unit of rate. 6.8. The first unit is minutes. So 6.8 minutes per kilometer. So this is the first unit, minute per kilometer. And don't forget to write the unit. Let's calculate the second rate, which is B. So the B is 62 minutes over 10 kilometers. So it's 62 minutes over 10 kilometers, and I want to reach 1 in the denominator because here I want to calculate the rate per kilometer. So I will divide it by 10 in both sides. The answer will be 6.2, and again 6.2 what? 6.2 minutes per kilometer, and don't forget to write the unit. Let's calculate the performance of C, or the rate of C. So I will divide it 154 minutes over 21 kilometers, and then I will simplify on 21. The answer is 7.33, which is repeated decimal, and the unit is minute per kilometer, as I said before. So here, I want to know which is fastest per kilometer. The fastest one per kilometer is the performing of the smallest number. The smallest amount of time per kilometer is the best. So here you can see the first one covered 6.8 minutes per kilometer. So the kilometer needs 6.81 kilometer. He covered each kilometer in 6.8 minutes. And here 6.2 minutes per kilometer and 7.33 minutes per kilometer. So the smallest number is runner B, sorry. So the runner B, its performance is 6.2, and the 6.2 here is the best time per kilometer. So runner B is the faster. Let's move to the next question. Lexi painted 2 faces in 8 minutes at the craft fair. At this rate, how many faces can she paint in 40 minutes? So, in this kind of problems, I have 2 parts or 2 steps, main steps I can do. First step is calculate the rate. How many faces can she paint in 1 minute? So, first of all, the rate is 2 faces over 8 minutes divided by 8 in both sides. So it will be 0.25 faces per minute. So this is the rate. And the rate is very important to calculate this part. In 40 minutes, how many faces? So in 40 minutes, how many faces? I will multiply the rate by the minutes needed to find the number of faces. Here, she paints 0.25 faces in each minute. So in 40 minutes, how many? I will multiply 0.25 times 40, which is 10 faces in each minute. So I have here two main steps. The first step is to calculate the rate. This is the first step. And the second step to find or calculate the number in 40 minutes. So I have to multiply the rate by the number of minutes. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question here. An assistant cook peeled 18 potatoes in 6 minutes. So I have here 18 potatoes in 6 minutes. So it's easy to calculate the rate. So the first step is calculate the rate. The rate equals. And the rate equals 18 potatoes over 6 minutes. So they are 18 potatoes in 6 minutes. So 18 divided by 6, it's too easy to simplify by 6. So they are 3 potatoes per minute. And these are 3 potatoes per minute. So this is the first step that you should make. So this is my first step that I should calculate. To calculate what? To calculate the rate. And the rate here is 3 potatoes per minute. So this is my rate. Number 2, he wants you to find what? Find how many potatoes, the number of potatoes in 50 minutes. So I have to go through step number 2, which is to calculate the number of potatoes in 50 minutes. So number of potatoes equals the number of potatoes. I have to multiply the rate, which is 3, times the number of potatoes in how many minutes? They are 50 minutes, so 3 times 50, which equals 3 times 50, which equals 150. 150 what? 150, is it a rate? No, it's not a rate. They are 150 potatoes. And this is the number of potatoes in what? In 50 minutes. So the number of potatoes in 50 minutes is 150. Let's check our answer. Our answer is 150 potatoes. Now, I have finished this application on rate. I hope you enjoyed this exercises. Waiting for the next lesson, inshallah. Thank you for listening, and I hope your day become nice. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Okay, bye-bye.